I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Adobe XD. We'll explore these two leading design tools, understanding their core functionalities and what makes each unique. Figma, a browser-based solution, shines with its collaborative power, allowing multiple users to work simultaneously. Adobe XD, a desktop application, offers deep integration within the Adobe suite. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which tool might best suit your design workflow and project needs, whether you're a solo designer or part of a large team. When it comes to key features, Figma's real-time collaboration is a standout, enabling several designers to work on a single file simultaneously, fostering incredible efficiency. Adobe XD also offers co-editing, but its strength lies in its tight integration with the broader Adobe Creative Cloud, making asset transfer effortless. Figma's auto layout and component system are powerful for maintaining consistency across large projects, while XD provides excellent tools for creating interactive prototypes and micro-animations, bringing designs to life with ease. Regarding performance and ecosystem, Figma's browser-based nature means it's accessible from virtually any device with an internet connection, offering unparalleled flexibility. Adobe XD, as a native desktop application, often provides a smoother experience for very large files and complex projects, leveraging local system resources. Figma's community is incredibly active, offering hundreds of plugins and templates. Adobe XD's strength is its deep roots within the Adobe ecosystem, allowing for effortless transitions between design, photo editing, and illustration tools, a significant advantage for many professionals. Finally, let's consider pricing and community. Figma provides a very generous free tier, which is perfect for students, freelancers, and small startups, allowing them to get started without upfront costs. Adobe XD is generally part of a Creative Cloud subscription, offering access to many other professional tools for one monthly fee. Both platforms have robust communities, but Figma's online presence and resource sharing are particularly vibrant. Adobe XD, however, holds a strong position within established design agencies, benefiting from its enterprise-level features and integration with existing workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.